Women in manufacturing can make a difference because this has been, until recently, historically, a man's world. More women should work for CHEP because the opportunities are endless.
We help each other, we come together. No matter the field you're in, no matter the department you're in, we all embrace each other and help each other out.
They value diversity and they value their training in the workplace. And they also really value putting their time and energy into building up the leadership. CHEP has supported me as a veteran by introducing me to the SCORE rotational program, which is specifically dedicated to transitioning military officers into the corporate workforce.
More women can work at CHEP because we can show everybody that a woman can do whatever work a man can do.
Women can make a big impact in the industry, as you can tell with all the ladies that we have working here right now. They are just updating all the time to make things better for all of us.
I stay with CHEP because I want to move up in CHEP. The very first day I walked in here, I knew that this was going to be my home and I was going to be here for a while. I love the company. I mean, it's a great company. It really is.
My career with CHEP is very, very beautiful, right? Because I was the first woman on the floor in 2019. It was very tough, very dirty and sweaty, but it made me the person who I am in CHEP and value the company as a future.
CHEP has actually great benefits. I love the people here. I love building the culture, like I said, based on love and respect. And that's what's expected here, and so that's what you get back.
CHEP is a great place to work because it's very inclusionary. They allow people to start from the bottom all the way to the top.
Me siento confiada de traer ideas a la mesa gracias a la idea inclusiva de CHEP. Me gusta la cultura de CHEP porque como mujer siento el apoyo de otras mujeres y no me siento sola.
It's the culture, the people. One band, one sound.